Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lauren and I make videos about cleaning, organization, home decor, and lifestyle. If you are not already, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below. I would love to have you. In today's video, I am preparing for the weekend, so I'm stripping and washing bed sheets, straightening up the house, making a delicious dessert just in case any visitors decide to pop in, and they do. You will see a couple of special visitors later in this video, and I am also unboxing my new DYSON vacuum. So let's get this weekend prep started.
If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away.
This candle right here is from Altered State. It is called Sanctuary and it smells so good. I'm going to go ahead and leave it in the description below just in case you want to check it out. The dessert that I'm making today is called fruit pizza, and I found this recipe on Pinterest. I originally wanted to make a fruit tart, but I could not find a tart pan for the life of me at any of our local stores, so I went with this recipe, and I'm actually really glad that I did. It was so much easier and so delicious. So basically, it's just a pound of Pillsbury sugar cookie dough rolled out with a Cool Whip topping and some fruit on top. And the Cool Whip topping actually has cream cheese, vanilla, and sugar mixed in. This recipe is so good. I highly recommend it, so make sure you check it out. It'll be in the description box below.
So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away.
There is something about fresh fruit that gets me so excited for summer, and you will probably see lots of fruity recipes on this channel throughout this summer. I absolutely love pineapple, so I'm planning to do something with that next, but I love all fruit mostly. I can't think of any fruits that I don't like, so I was really enjoying this recipe.
Promise you, we will be alright if it's you.
For some reason, I always forget about kiwi, but kiwi is so delicious, and as I was cutting these, you're going to see me snag a couple pieces. For this fruit pizza, I decided to use cuties, kiwi, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and I can't remember if there was another one or not. You're going to see here in just a second. You can add whatever fruit you want to the top of this, and no matter what you add, it's going to be delicious.
You and I, you and I.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for.
There's just something so relaxing about getting a bunch of fruit, rinsing it all in the sink, and slicing it all up. I actually want to get some of those containers that have strainers on the bottom so that my fruit doesn't mold as quickly like in these plastic containers. So hopefully I'll be able to run across some of those pretty soon. I want to take a trip to the container store, but I haven't had the chance to do that yet. So hopefully soon I can get something for my fruit.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh.
Since this was such a large cookie, I left it in the oven a little bit longer just to make sure it was done all the way through, and it actually turned out perfect. I got the top golden brown, but the bottom did not burn, thank God. That's a surprise with me. And now I'm just going to finish chopping up this fruit and put the topping on that cookie and then place the fruit on top.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden.
I had to do a shot specifically for the fruit because it was so pretty. And I'm going to take a break and eat some dinner while the cookie cools, and then we will put the topping on top. This night, my husband actually brought me home Texas Roadhouse, and this is not very healthy looking, but their chicken critters are so delicious with the honey mustard, a baked potato, and some fresh veggies. So I'm going to take a minute to eat that, and then we'll be right back at it.
So take a chance, take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so be close, babe. What do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden, I'm golden. Just like, what do you
And the best part, the Texas Roadhouse rolls. These are the best rolls ever. Comment down below if you agree with their cinnamon butter. Ugh, they are so good. My husband has the most willpower of anyone I've ever seen. He skipped out on these rolls, did not eat a single one. Now I'm just going to head into the living room to tidy things up a little bit. And then I'm going to show you my new Dyson vacuum. I am so excited. I really wanted the pink one because of the color, but I wasn't really sure which one did what, so I did a little bit of research, and the pink one is actually one of the more basic models. It's the Dyson V7, and we just have a small apartment and no animals, so I thought this one would be perfect, and it is. We used it for the first time, and it sucked up so much junk off of our carpet, which was pretty disgusting because I had just vacuumed a couple days prior. So I'm excited about this. Our carpets are gonna love it. And here in just a second, you're gonna see my real reaction to how much dust it sucked up. I was so disgusted.
Does somebody, somebody, somebody know? Does somebody, somebody, somebody know of a place where the green isn't covered by snow? Every time that your eyes speak, it's time to let go. Does somebody, somebody, somebody know? What you are, like what you feel. Don't let the colors fade when it's hard to deal. So pick up the dice, give it a roll. Get yourself up when you left out alone. I think we know it all. It's the 10 feet smoke without having the head on the ground. I think I've seen it all.
It worked! That's so fun!
Does somebody, somebody, somebody
Dude, we already have so much done! What the heck?
doesn't sink like a stone when
That is not normal.
broken, nowhere to go.
Oh, our carpets are gonna love this. And now I'm just gonna dance while I vacuum because I'm so excited about this. I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of my other vacuum quite yet because it makes such good vacuum lines, but obviously it wasn't doing its job because this one picked up so much dirt and dust and gunk. Ugh, it was disgusting. But I am so excited about this product. And right now, Dyson vacuums are on sale. So if you want one, go check out the link below in my description.
Does somebody, somebody, somebody know? Does somebody, somebody, somebody know?
You know the drama is never ending.
It was time to spread the frosting on top of this giant cookie. So I'm just gonna whip up some Cool Whip, 4 ounces of cream cheese, a little bit of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And once again, the recipes will be linked below in my description in case you want to try this, and you definitely should. It is so delicious. But I'm just going to mix up all of these ingredients and spread them on top of the cookie and then put the fruit on top.
The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard.
I forgot to mention this, but I'm going to mix up all of the ingredients except for the Cool Whip, and then once they are mixed up, I'm going to fold in the Cool Whip with a rubber scraper, or as my husband calls it, a floppy spatula.
I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 baby. Dance, 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 we fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving to the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, dance, dance,
And here is the finished product. And we actually sprinkled some raspberries near the strawberries before we ate it, but I left them off for this shot because I just thought this was so beautiful. Y'all have to try this and let me know what you think.
Hi.
Who are you?
I'm Luke.
You're Luke. Who are you?
I'm Sam.
Who are you to me?
Lala.
I'm your Lala?
Yeah. But your real name's Lauren. I already know that.
Give me some time to get stronger.
Those are my sweet nephews, and they live about an hour away, and they had come to visit on this night. And I actually took a break from all the cleaning and baking and went with them to Target and a few other stores, and we had a great time. And now I'm back home and it's pretty late, so I'm gonna make up the bed, and I am going to fully make the bed because I'm not gonna go to bed quite yet. I had to edit this video and do several other things before I could crash, so I'm gonna go ahead and make up this bed and then move on.
Do what we used to, leaving without saying, teasing without playing. I've had enough, so come back to love. I hope you're all good. I hope you're all good where you are now. It's probably too late, but here I am reaching my arm out. I want us to win.
So this is pretty much what I do to prepare for the weekend. This day kind of got away from me. Normally I would have this done before Will got home from work, but this whole week has been crazy, so I had to finish up later in the evening. But we are still going to enjoy the entire rest of this weekend, and I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend as well. Thank y'all so much for watching and continuing to support my channel. It means so much to me. If you are not already, make sure you subscribe. We have lots of fun content coming up, and I would love to have you. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up because that really helps me out. I hope all of you have an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video.
I hope you'll stay